Hello student, welcome to Math Master Plus in nice Math Olympiad problem. In this problem we are solving 2 divided by 3 into the power of 2 divided by 3 is equal to unknown. Now we are starting our solution. Our question is 2 into divided by 3 into 2 divided by 3. So that it's equal to 2 divided by 3 whole into power 2 into the power 1 divided by 3. This 2 is converted into 21 is also 2. So we use this formula a into m divided by n is equal to a into m all into 1 divided by n. This is our formula we use in this question. So next of using this formula we get 2 square divided by 3 square into 1 divided by 3. So in next way solving this 2 into 2 is 4 divided by 3 into 2 is 9 into 1 divided by 3. So under root of 4 into 3 divide by under root of 9 into 3. So we are using this formula a into 1 divided by n is equal to a into n. We write this according to this formula. So in next we are solving 3 in next this into 9 into 3 divided by 9 into 3. So 3 into 9 divided by 3 into 9 is equal to 1. So in next step 4 into 3 multiply by root of 9 square 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 and this square 9 square into 3 divided by 3 into 9 into 3 into 9 square. Next step, this will be root of 4 to 3 into 9 square is 81, and this will be 3 divided by 3 into under root 9 into 9 square. So we use this formula in this position. Root of a into under root of b is equal to under root of a b. Next, this will be under root of 4 into 3 into 81 into 3 divided by 3 into under root 9 into 1 plus 2. So in next this will be 9 plus 1 plus 2. In next step this will be 3 into under root 4 into under root of 81 into 3 divided by 3 into under root of 9 into 3. This 3 cut by this remain 9. So in next step, this 4 into 3 into 81. As we know that 81 is equal to 27 multiplied by 3, and 27 multiplied by 3 into 3 divided by 9. So in next step, 3 into under root 4 into 3 into under root 27 into 3 into under root 3 divided by 9. So in next step, 3 into under root 4 into 3 into under the root 3 into 3 into 3 into under root 3. 9. So in next step, this 3 cut by this remain 3. This will be 3 into under root of 4 into 3 into 3 into under root of 3 divided by 9. So this 3 cut by this remain 3, remain 0, and this will be 3. 3 into under root of 4 into 3 into under root of 3 divided by 3 is equal to 3 into under root of 4 into 3 divided by 3. So that's equal to 3 into under root of 4 into 3 is 12 divided by 3. This is equal to, so this is our final answer. That is equal to 2 into 3 into the power 2 divided by 3 is also equal to 3 into 12 divided by 3. So this is our final answer of this mathematical Olympiad problem. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for more Olympiad math problem. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Goodbye.